Are you not feeling the hotness on your hand? You know you are turning the pot.
I'm used to it.
Ah.
You need a lot of onion inside as sweet as you do as they're good for body. Check it out.
Let's check. This is the taste check. Okay. That's very nice. Today on the Adventures of Jazzy, we are having a cookout. We are doing a goat meat cookout, and we are cooking this meat in a very unique way, in a very peculiar way. So come along, a lot of guys are in the house. Come along with me. Let's go and see what they are cooking. Let's see how it's cooking. You first grill the meat. Now you are dicing it into the pots. This is the whole goat meat.
No.
Okay. You know, so you are slicing the onions. You turn the pepper into it.
Yeah, directly.
Then you add a little bit of water.
Plain water.
Oh, the fire is burning in there. Oh, there is fire in there already. Wow, this is super peculiar. This is so unique. So you are adding vegetable oil too?
Small. Well, not for that.
So you are doing seasoning cubes.
So, how many Maggi do you put? It depends on the quantity of the meat. That's how you know the quantity of the Maggi you put inside. You hear me? Give me salt. Salt.
Okay, a little bit of salt.
What? Eh? Hello?
I want to find out again.
Siobhan not say good afternoon.
How did you?
Eh? No problem. But you go on to be on it. Eh? Ah, load the phone.
So is that salt enough?
I will have to taste it.
Okay, you taste check before adding more. It's so unique. But it's gonna be very, very spicy, man.
Very, very. I swear that.
It's gonna be very, very spicy.
I had to get a cold bottle of water.
Cold stout.
How do go?
We got a lot of guys in the house. This is FM, that is Ajay, and
Our chief chef.
Our chief chef, we call him Killer. But his name is Yemi. And this is looking really wow.
It's okay. The salt is okay. Very okay, Abi. Yeah.
And this is asun, right?
Yeah.
This is asun. That's spicy goat meat. Spicy goat meat. Now you continue stirring it to make the flavor enter everything. Make the flavor enter everything. So what's this?
This is the pepper soup.
The meat for the pepper soup, yeah?
Yeah. Boss, I'm with 200.
Are you going to cut that into small chunks too? Let's have a taste of the onions. Can you eat onions and pepper raw?
Is it on a bet or no, on norms?
Must everything be a bet?
Because I don't know what I'm dying for now.
Must everything be a bet?
I don't know what I'm dying for.
It's not a matter of that. Just eat a bit of raw pepper and onions.
Yeah, I can't.
We're gonna wash this. You are doing a 4-man's job at a time. You are cutting the meat, you are cooking the food, you are doing everything as they go. So is it done?
No, almost done.
Almost.
What's meaning onion?
Yeah. Within 5 minutes, we are done with it.
So the cooking period is more or less like 20 minutes.
20, yeah, like 20 minutes.
But this is after you first grilled the meat a bit before cooking it like this.
Yeah.
I really might drop it now. Why they might do it? They might drop it. Yes, you get that meat.
Like 5 minutes from now, everything is set.
The soup is going on fire. We are cutting up the intestines after cleaning it very well. Wow. Is it not? Are you not feeling the hotness on your hand? The way you are turning the pot.
I'm used to it.
I think this is done, yeah?
Now,
You add the onions.
adding the onions.
Right.
That's a whole lot of onions.
You need a lot of onion inside asun if you're going to do asun. A lot of onions. And onions good. They are good for body. Mainly your eye.
I'll turn everything together. Wow, this looks lovely.
After doing this, just leave it around a minute to 2 minutes.
Then it's done, ready to eat.
Yeah.
You're adding the intestines
So what okay,
to the
right?
pepper soup. So we are cooking two things together. We are having pepper soup style and we are having asun style. This is lovely.
Almost done now. Almost done like this. Check it out.
So let's the check. Wow. This is the taste check.
100.
That's very nice. Tastes very nice, guys. Very spicy, very chewy. Most of all, very spicy, but really chewy and very nice. The flavor is innate and you can taste everything. From the wonderful taste of the goat to the seasonings, the onions, everything. You can taste everything in it. It's very nice, guys. It's very nice. It's done like this.
Yeah.
So are you going to move it off the fire?
Now just have to lift it from the
Direct heat. Okay. That is that about that. Vegetable oil.
vegetable. We are doing it a local way.
Yeah, local pepper soup.
Local one.
And we've got the elders here cutting. What's the saint leaf? Yeah.
Yeah, saint leaf. Saint leaf. Saint leaf.
For the pepper soup.
Yeah.
Bako is here.
Down our pass.
A little bit of salt.
Sorry.
So the last thing we are going to add to the pepper soup while it's boiling is
Saint leaf.
the saint leaf.
Saint leaf.
That looks nice. So all of it.
Get it together. Mix it very well. It's a local made pepper soup, not all ingredients mixed up together. We created our own ingredients
Yes.
by ourselves.
So we are coming for a taste check very soon. That's that.
It's our local pepper soup.
Nice. So next to the tasting. This is final. This is the final.
Àti bẹ̀rẹ̀.
Everything.
Ṣáàtì bẹ̀rẹ̀.
We've tasted the.
Ṣáàtì bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni àì bẹ̀rẹ̀ game náà.
So,
Gini.
let's taste the pepper soup.
Ṣáàtì bẹ̀rẹ̀ game ni àì bẹ̀rẹ̀ game náà.
àwọn èèyàn wà tí ó ti gbà ṣe bí máyàn tí.
Let's just.
Wọ́n ṣe máa gbé kámẹ́rà jáde àmà start. Wọ́n máa gbé kámẹ́rà wá. Àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ náà.
And then you want to see that?
Yeah.
so delicious.
It's nice. This is
Really,
really, really nice.
Olówó àpòsá yìí.
So guys, you need to try this recipe. Next time we are having a party. It's so nice. Taste. You can taste all the seasoning in it. And it's not too spicy. The pepper soup is not too spicy. It's very nice.
Man.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
The actual is well spiced.
Take one taste. No, taste this.
Come and try this. You will love it.
Very well. It's been a wild time. The food was so the taste of the goat meat was so nice. The pepper soup was so sweet. I hope you are trying this recipe next time you are cooking your goat meat. It's gonna be so tasty, I promise you that. Until the next time guys, it's still the adventures of Jazzy. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Peace.